The Cactus Ransomware gang has claimed responsibility for the recent cyber attack on French industrial giant Schneider Electric. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. The attack, which was discovered on January 17th, affected the company's sustainability business division, resulting in severed access to vital systems. Schneider Electric has since restored access, but the attackers exfiltrated 1.5 terabytes of data from the division, including passports and non-disclosure agreements. The gang is threatening to make this data public unless a ransom is paid. Schneider Electric's sustainability business serves large organizations globally, and it's unclear how many clients were impacted. The gang, active since at least March 2023, has been highly active, exploiting vulnerabilities and targeting numerous companies. They gained access to Schneider Electric's network through the sustainability business division and have been employing tactics such as creating SSH backdoors, relying on remote access tools, stealing credentials, and encrypting data on all accessible systems. With over 100 companies listed on its leak site, the Cactus Ransomware poses a significant threat to organizations worldwide. And now, a word from our sponsor. Get a 128 TB Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault, immutable and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $999.95. Contact sales@stonefly.com for details. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of cyber attacks.